Yeah, you can see the big white truck here. Stop it. Red light run, red light run, red light run, RTS bus.
I felt a positive desire to be near this new man, perhaps to touch him.
I think that there's cars coming. What are you doing, Nissan driver?
She thought.
Really?
She represents ultimate tension. She is the virgin harlot, witty, vulgar, cruel, as destructive in her whims as a Coriolis storm.
Wait, what the hell's going on up there?
As taken from
Like,
the Realy.
I don't know if that's a red light. Wait, what, why are you that close to the truck? Why is everyone screwing up?
The rim glowed orange through a thin dust haze, underlighted by the late afternoon sun.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Gems, a purple belt gathered the waist. The sleeves poking through the robe's armhole slits had been tailored into rivulet ridges of dark green and black velvet. A few naives had come out to observe the treatment accorded a fellow.
Were you just going straight from the right turn lane? I think you were.
Exciting, and he thought of the performance out there in the great hall. The dancers had entered in the costumes and guise of
red light run, red light run, red light run.
Battleground, he just said. You may speak of it. His voice freed by the command, hate said, You cannot force me to slay one deep. I have heard the Bene Gesserit say, Vijay said, that there is nothing firm, nothing balanced, nothing durable in all the universe, that nothing remains in its state, that each day...
You got big, huge signs telling you where to go.
In Sidney Crosby, that's taking in Phil Esposito in summer programming, so I will polish his.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Even better than hand-eye coordination. At that speed, with guys that are 6'4" in your face, I mean, it's almost impossible. I mean, everything in the NHL looks impossible.
Back up a shame.
But
back up a shame.
Hand-eye over the years, it was just incredible. Well, that's the thing is, you know, Sid has some.
I remember that. So that's still... Wait, red light run, red light run, red light run. Alright, I need to stop being nostalgic and focus on making this frickin' video.
The 46 podcast. I hope you're having a fantastic summer. I am super excited about today's summit session. I have a guest who is a personal friend of mine.
Okay.
Who I have been in this podcast game with since the beginning. We formed a friendship because we both have...
Red light run, red light run, red light run. You can go now. You can go now. Everyone's screwing up this morning. Stop it!
In his head, he moved close, shaped silent words in a way he knew both Paul and Alia could read. I will wring him dry and then take care of the matter. Paul nodded.
Really?
Signaled the guardsmen behind Paul.
Hera whispered. She moved his hand. And this is your daughter. Her hand tightened
Nice cut off.
his. And he forced himself to inner stillness, opened the eyes of his vision to this moment. Yes, it was still here. Janie's body lay on a pallet within a ring of light. Someone had straightened her white robe, smoothed it, trying to hide the blood from the birth. No matter.
Really, what an idiot. Run around all those cars.
Such a mirror of eternity.
On like the Discovery Channel, if something came along in a magazine, my dad would always, you know, say, hey,
exit dive.
Look at this is really cool. Let's watch this program about the Appalachia.
Like, it's like, oh my goodness, you gotta hide this, like, cover it up.
Exit dive.
They were called the Baldwin babies. There's a story about them that... They had overseer in
no turn on.
Oregon
Wait.
announced that One of the
back up a shame.
officers there had died and taken down in a hotel room instead. He died in
What's
a
going
hotel room.
on with this person?
Time is now, Ranger.
Exit dive.
The party that has just heard testimony.
Exit dive. It's always this exit that people exit dive at. It's like, plan better. Stop it.
You really think Arn Wilhelmsen is going to be able to come up with $550 million?
The executive shrugs. Mickey shakes his head.
Well, exit regret.
He betrayed his countrymen and sold out to the evil Carnival Cruise Line. So he added this 40-day price match so Wilhelmsen could potentially...
Red light run, red light run. Two of you ran the red arrow up there. Thank you.
Molds himself. The fool lives only to die. Her voice was heavy with mimicry. Disciple of awareness. Men cannot separate wings and
Nice cutoff. Why the hell would you want to merge over there? Seriously. That was an exit dive.
Used him. I think he would have stopped.
Even worse, no stop. I'll use that one.
All he had structure and values and boundaries as well. I think a lot of people have. David, so that they can do the same thing. Get to define who's in and who's out. Get to define who's in charge, and get to decide.
Yeah, you can see the big white truck here. Stop it. No stop.
I found it, Discovery. You can't push me out. No one's pushing you out. We're pushing the Phoenix out. If you want to follow it, that's your fault.
Go. What the? You got the right of way. Normal, predictable behavior. Come on. Turn right. Finish your turn.
Plastic tube and strides out of the office.
Wait, and he played well yesterday. He shot two. Overall,
No stop.
Was better than the course average yesterday. Oh, what was a tough day.
Never told me that ever. That's hilarious.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut, but we're not in Connecticut. We are in I-590 outside of Rochester. There is no restriction here. So he's good, I guess. Oh, well. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!